All right, ladies and gentlemen. So Rahu and Ketu transit for Gemini zodiac sign. For Gemini zodiac sign, Rahu is transiting in the 12th house, and whereas Ketu is transiting in the 6th house. Okay, so 12th house talks about foreign settlements, foreign travel, creative abilities, and also logical thinking. 12th house also talks about liabilities and expenses. So this point of time you'll be spending a lot, so you got to take care of your expenses and liabilities. You got to plan your finances in a very well manner, because there are chances of higher expenditure during this point of time, and you have to ensure that, well, in terms of signing any agreements or contracts, you got to be very careful, because there may be some chances of getting manipulated. Okay, and also in terms of understanding about your spouse, so make sure that you and your spouse discuss the matters, and then come into a conclusion, because there may be chances of some kind of frequent quarrels at your family members. And also, most importantly, Rahu in the 12th house provides tremendous foreign travel opportunities, and you'll be succeeding there as well, because Rahu in the 12th house is very good for the career progression, and also, most importantly, you'll be filled with so many opportunities for progressing in your career, and also the promotion in your career is also promising. And most importantly, Ketu is transiting into the 6th house, so you got to take care about your physical health, and also make sure that you do some exercises to keep yourself fit, because there may be some kind of health concerns during this point of time, because Ketu is transiting in the 6th house. Ketu at the same time gives you a discipline and also very good work ethics across your work environment. And Ketu will also makes you to be more determined, more focused, more concentrated. And also Ketu is a spiritual planet. So Ketu transiting in the 6th house brings a spiritual interest in your life. You will start giving value for traditions, and also you will start giving interest towards spirituality. You will start reading spiritual books, and understand about what is the purpose of your life, and all that kind of retrospection will be happening in your life. And most importantly, if at all you are engaged into any kind of what you say hidden activities, so make sure that you don't involve into those kind of unethical deeds, because that might turn out to be affecting your reputation and also social status in the public. So make sure that my best advice for you is be transparent as possible, and also as health is concerned, please do take care of your ankles and feet. Okay, so because 12th house talks about ankles and feet, and 6th house talks about diseases, so be careful with regards to that. And in terms of charity, you might engage into some kind of charity work. Suddenly you will start showing the interest upon about interest upon your mental health also. And most importantly, proper diet and proper sleep is very important to maintain your good health. And Ketu in the 6th house also uh, bring compromises with your enemies. You can able to win over the enemies with a very good intellect and calculative risk that you take in your life. And make sure that you manage your finances well, because that is the first point I have told. High expenditure, make sure that you plan your finances well. And also, most importantly, involve your spouse in terms of decision making. So involve your spouse in terms of decision making. Both of you sit and discuss, and then take a decision accordingly, because that might if at all you take your own decisions without consulting your wife, it might trigger into some kind of unwanted disturbances in the life, in your family, because Rahu in the 12th house brings disturbances, and Ketu in the 6th house also signifies disturbances. So make sure you, whenever you interact with the people, make sure that you're polite and humble enough and respectful enough towards the elders, because that brings a reputation for you in the society as well. Okay, so most importantly, if at all you are doing any kind of research and development work, you will see progression into that. And the people who are into the higher management authority, who are managing the roles of power and authority, there seems to be a promotion during this point of time, because Rahu in the 12th house gives progression in your career. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and let's stay tuned for the other videos, and bye for now.